TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 12. You get the NASDAQ off 2. S&P's a flat. Gold contract also is flat at 12.5880. We have silver trading up 2 cents at $18.44 an ounce. Platinum's up $11 at $10.39 an ounce. Copper's off 2.5 pennies, $2.65 a pound. Light sweet crude up 41 cents, $54.40 a barrel. Notes. 10-year note down 7 ticks, 125.12. 30-year bond off 8 ticks, 152.30. Now, notes last week, folks. Wide price spread, accelerated volume, took out its swing points with volume. Notes want a lot higher price. We're at 125.12. I expect you're going to be running up to that 127 level. That is from the downdraft in November. Bonds, same setup. The difference in the bond is that the bond got up to the swing point, haven't taken it out yet, pushing into that swing point, big volume. Bonds want 155. We're at 152.31 right now. King dollar. King dollar, once again, couldn't handle higher price this morning out here. Has light volume, rejected higher price. King dollar did it all last week. We are at 100.975. King dollar has a ABC structure on the way down with a price projection of 96.925. The euro is at 105 and the yen is trading at 112.35. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. Bottom line, market staying at the highs. Friday, the SPY got down to a price point of 235.41, rejected it, said, see, I don't want to be a bottom line is that right now you're at 236.79, and that high of 236.90 is game. I suspect it's going to get hit out here again today. We take a look at the Dow Industrial, same type of setup in the Dow. Dow right now is down $5. The high that we're talking about out here was from last Thursday, 20,840. And you're all of 22 points away from it. More than likely, you're going to see that get tagged. The NASDAQ Composite. What do we have with the Composite? Composite did come down and did have volume on that way down on Friday. So the Composite's going to be interesting to see how it comes into the 58.47. So right now, we're at 58.42. Bottom line, if you reject that level, that's going to be the first inclination that NASDAQ Composite wants to pull back. We go over to the Russell. Same type of setup in the Russell. What you have with the Russell is this. The Russell got down to 1382. It's going to be how it handles the 1401. Right now, we're at 1395.89. Gold contract, bottom line, you got an ABC structure inside on ABC. Gold wants much higher price. You have two separate price projections. The one is 1281, the other is 1284. I expect we're going to get that. It's been pushing with volume. The silver contract just finished up an ABC structure on the way up. And bottom line, that is on its way now to the $19.12 area. That area is the high from the 9th of November. And that's where that's where the last downdraft started from. We go take a look at the bond market. What you have with bonds is this. Strong market. You know, we've already done 671 million contracts out here today. And you're still pushing into the highs. The high that we're talking about is 125.08. You're at 125.13. Bottom line, this thing wants to go to the lows of the downdraft of November 9th. The November 9th time frame, folks, is really important inside the bonds, inside the dollar, inside the metals market. If we go up and we take a look at that dollar, what you're looking at is this. Dollar index right now got to a price point today of 101.280. Couldn't handle it. The low of last week was laying out there at 100.400. I expect you're going to try to get down into that level, and we'll see whether it has the volume. The bottom line is that this is a ABC structure on the way down with a 96.925 price projection. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.